Hi friends, today we're going to draw Gary the Snail from SpongeBob. Gary is a little cute pet snail who lives with SpongeBob SquarePants in a pineapple under the sea. He meows like a cat and loves taking baths. Gary is SpongeBob's best friend. In the real world, did you know that snails have 1,000 tiny teeth on their tongue? These teeth help them scrape and munch their favorite food. They like to eat leaves and vegetables, just like my mom. But my mom does not like snails because they eat a lot of green leaves in our garden. Now we've done drawing his eyes, let's move on to his mouth. Snails can see, but not in the same way humans do. Snails have eyes at the end of their tentacles. Each eye can move independently. They can see light, darkness, and basic shapes. But their vision isn't very clear. If they go to school, they have to wear glasses, just like my grandma. And my mom. Oh, actually my dad too. Mom tells me to not watch too much TV, otherwise my eyes will be blurry. But if my two eyes can move independently, then I can watch 2 cartoons at the same time. How cool is that? Now we've almost done drawing our snail shell. Let's go back and add his pupils. He is looking towards his shell. Snail's shell is like their cozy home that keeps them safe from things that might hurt them, like other animals or bad weather. When they need a break or feel scared, it's their special place to hide. In that sense, I also want the shell, but I don't want to carry it. Let's add more patterns to the shell. It's called a spiral shape.
A spiral shape is a curved pattern that winds around a central point or axis like a spring or a snail's shell.
I am quite familiar with this shape because I eat a lot of cinnamon buns. Now we've done Gary the Snail. Let's color it in. Have you ever seen a spiral shape around you? If not, then ask your parents to buy you a cinnamon bun. You can tell them that this can help you learn math. The more cinnamon bun you eat, the better your math will be. I think so. Yay! Now, let me ask you a question. Why are there not so many animals that are blue in the nature? You can ask your parents or search yourself. Oops, wrong color. What shall we do? It's okay. We all make mistakes. Just color it in and pick another color later. You don't have to draw exactly the same as we did. You can pick your own color and pattern. The snail you're drawing will be one of a kind in the world. Yay! We've done drawing Gary the Snail. We hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye!